Hello everyone, this is Carol. I am back with another journal that I have completed. This time is for Calico Collage. The name of the journal is Bursts of Beauty. I actually won a contest from that Norella had just not too long ago, and she had the kit out and said whoever's name that she picked would win the kit, and she picked my name. I looked at it instantly and knew that it was Bursts of Beauty. So when I open the book, you will see why. It is just full of beautiful color. She has done a wonderful job on this kit, as she does with all of her kits, but this one is just outstanding with flowers and birds and color. The journal tag here that is on the front is in the kit, and I layered it with 2 or 3 layers of cardstock, and then I decoupaged over it and colored the flower in and made a front plate for it. The birds are done in 3-dimension. I'm not sure if that shows up on the camera, but those are standing out in 3-dimension. The actual size of the book is 6 inches by 9 inches, 1.5-inch spine, and I've used images from the kit for both the front and the back. And it's done with eyelet closure. I've left the ribbon long. Whoever ends up with the journal can either cut them shorter or leave them long, whichever they prefer. And we'll go in. Here's a tag that I made that says this book belongs to, and as all of my tags, I lined the back of them. And this is paper that I had in my stash. So is this that I used the Mini 8 punch and made the little corner pocket there. This is an image in the kit, and I've made that a pocket. I need to put some paper in there. I forgot to do that, so I will do that. And this is more of the kit, and all of these pages, every one of them are in the kit. I've made a pocket here. This is a pocket I cut from one of the pages. I actually did printed out 2 pages and did kind of a, I believe Carol Tinson calls that blind or blind pocket, something. I have done that for a long time, but I know Carol came out with it with a video quite a while ago, and she does that quite often, so that I can say I got the inspiration there. And here is paper from the kit that I printed, made a little card to write for writing purposes. Here is a pocket here for storage. There's a pocket within a pocket. This is from the kit. All of these tags, as I said, are from the kit, so I don't have to be saying that. Here's a tag that I added a bow to, and these are tickets that are included. And there again, some of these are tags that I have made into pockets, and then some are papers from the kit that I had scraps that I used from other things throughout the kit and made pockets out of them. I don't like to waste anything, especially when the paper is this beautiful. And this is, I've added flat back gems on quite a few of these in here. I just couldn't put anything on this page. It's just so striking and so beautiful that I just left it. I did some stamping here with flat back gems there. Lace pocket. Here's an envelope that I made from paper from the kit, and there is paper inside. And this little flower comes from the stamp. I cut it out and made it the little catch there for the envelope. This is Dollar Tree lace. I did some inking on the pages with Tim Holtz oxide ink. This is a decoupage napkin, and you can write on that side of the doily. Sewed around the edges of the vellum. And here's another. This is actually paper from the kit, and I made it into a tag. Added some more paper there. There's a Rita Donnelly flip that I added a Recollections flower to. And there is more paper that I've used from the kit. And I did the Martha Stewart punch there. Did the little crazy, or the mini 8 punch, and did another pocket there. This is in the kit, as is this. I believe this was meant for a tag, and I made it into a pocket on the vintage song sheet. Here's another journaling card, and this, again, I've fussy cut that from the pages in the kit and made it into a pocket. I did the same thing with this, made a double pocket. This is the center of the first signature. There are 2 signatures in this book. And there is one of the tags. Here's another tag. I've added bows, of course. And more paper to write on. This is decoupage napkin, the bird, on the other side of the vintage music. And there is another one of the tags that I've made into a pocket. There is a tag. She just did everything about this kit. There's just nothing that isn't outstanding. It is so pretty. This is another tag. More of the fussy cut paper. The other side of the vellum. This is a napkin that I have decoupaged onto the doily, and as I did this also. And here is another journaling card from the kit. This is paper that I had in my stash, and I made this tuck spot here out of the Dollar Tree lace and the flat back gems. And there's another bird that is decoupage from a napkin on the page and all the inking. Here's another paper that is in the kit, as is this. And I printed, of course, on both sides there, so you'd have benefit. This is from the kit. I fussy cut that, took a corner of the top, added some flat back gems. I decoupaged this little bird onto the paper and added the bow, and there's more paper to write, and I thought it went perfect with that little guy there. And that is the rice paper that I used and I have a video on that, how to use rice paper to make decoupage paper for your kits to match what you do in your journals. There's another fussy cut flower, and here is a tag. Here's another journaling card. Got more paper from the kit. I double did the hidden pocket there and double printed that and then cut the side and made that. Here's a pocket here. All of my pockets on these pages are, they always have pockets there. Added Dollar Tree lace in the center, and now we go into the second signature, flat back gems, and these are pockets that you can add things that you want to save, whatever you do with your journals. And there is another journaling card. And here is a ticket. This has magnets in it, and I've added little flowers that I make, and these each have journaling cards. I won't take those out. Well, I will, because it's really pretty. And that's from the kit, and I made it into a journaling card. and for you to write on. And the same thing I've done here with a different image. And it goes down, and there's a magnet here, and there's one here, and it just holds the envelopes in place. And more inking, another page from the kit. This is this. More decoupage napkin. No, this is the, I'm sorry, the rice paper. And here is another image or card from the kit. Paper that I've used and did the gems on. There's decoupage birds on there, and you can write on that side. Here's the other side of the vellum, or this is the first side of this vellum. Here's a belly band that I made from the background paper in the kit. I made a little booklet to go inside the belly band that gives you more writing space. And there again, there's more decoupaging from the rice paper in the kit. And here is another tag and another postcard. These postcards are just outstanding. They are so pretty. And there's, I added lace to that vintage music. And here's another, I won't open this, but it's a little booklet, and there's actually several pieces of paper in there that can be written on. And here is another card, journaling card from the kit. This is from the kit. Added lace to that. That's Hobby Lobby lace there. And this time, in the center of the signature, I did the top part. Before, it was the bottom. And this time I did a double top pocket. And here's a journaling card that I made with scrap paper from the kit. Added the lace. And here is a huge journaling card that is in the kit also. And here is another large tag. And I made that from paper in the kit, because I wanted something to go on this side tuck spot and that would just be striking, and I just thought that was, and I added the yellow bow. Here is the other side of the music paper. Here is an envelope, and here's G. Kerr's idea. I love this. I use this so much. And it's a belly band. There's paper in this envelope, and that comes off, and that makes the belly band to hold the envelope shut. I just think that is the best idea. And I will link those people to below so that you can know if you want to see who did this. These are the butterflies that I make from vellum, and those are actually little, I added wire and some cheesecloth under that and put that under there. Here is more inking, and the other side of the vellum, there's a napkin with decoupaged bird on it. Another one of those big flowers that are in the kit, fussy cut, and there's a tag. Three tickets and the little birds, that is a tag, as is the little pocket that I made from a tag, and added the tickets that are in the kit, and each one of them has a different flower on it. That one has a butterfly. So then more paper from the kit, as is this, the orchid and the peony. This I made, this is another Carol Tinson idea, and you take a circle, and I used a circle die cut 2 circles with paper from the kit. I backed it with cardstock, and then made a little pocket. I cut one in half, put a bow there, made a pocket, and there is the home of these little birds that are tags in the kit. And then on the back side I put lines so it could be written on. This is a vellum pocket that I used from the kit, printed out. There's another flower, and I made that into a lined journaling card. That is one of the tags from the kit. And there's more decoupage on the paper. And here is the inking. This is a pocket. This was in the kit, and I have something in there. Yes. And there again is one of Carol Tinson's hidden or ghost pockets. That's what she calls them, ghost pockets, because it is exactly the same thing that is under here, and there is the card. And it is a journaling card. And that slips right back into there, and you do not know it's there, and you can write secret things. This is also a pocket, and there is some paper that I added from the kit. So you have plenty of writing space in this journal. And here is another pocket. And I put paper in there for writing. And the flower is also, it's another ghost pocket. Pull on that little leaf and you get another flower with a place to write. And that goes, tucks right in there. And that is the end of this review of this journal. This is the letter that I am putting in all of my journals now, and I got that inspiration from Jib and Neary and Kelly Watson, and I wrote it in my own words. There are a few words that I've used of theirs and ideas, but that was where the inspiration came from, and that will go into each one of my journals now, into a pretty envelope. And I made this envelope from paper that I had in my stash, and it will be included with the journal. And that concludes this flip through of this journal. I hope you liked it. If you did, please put a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't already. And I have a couple of more journals yet to show you, so I will be back in a few days. Thank you so much for watching.